Can insects nest inside my outdoor AC unit? Yes, insects can nest inside an outdoor air conditioner, and they often hide in the warm, sheltered parts of the unit. The outdoor part of your air conditioner gives bugs three things they like: shade, warmth, and a safe place that stays mostly still. Tiny insects such as ants, wasps, bees, spiders, roaches, and even some beetles may crawl inside the openings, wires, or gaps around the fan area. Some bugs build nests near the base, while others pack mud, leaves, or other bits into small spaces and block airflow. If airflow gets blocked, the unit has to work harder, which can make your home less cool and may raise your power bill. A wasp nest inside or around the unit can also be dangerous because the fan and moving parts can bother the insects and make them sting. One thing many people do not know is that ants sometimes follow tiny warm spots in electrical sense, so a small problem can turn into a bigger one fast. The best habit is to look at the outside unit every few weeks, clear away plants and clutter, and turn off the power before checking inside. If you see heavy nesting, dead insects, or damaged wiring, call a qualified repair person right away. A common mistake is letting grass, weeds, or bushes grow too close to the unit, because that gives insects a bridge right into it. Keep a clear space around it so air can move and bugs have fewer hiding spots. Another mistake is spraying random insect killer into the unit, because that can damage parts and may not remove the nest. A safer choice is to shut off the power and have the problem checked the right way. People also ignore strange sounds or weaker cooling, but those can be early warning signs that something is clogging the system. If the unit starts buzzing, rattling, or blowing less air, inspect it sooner instead of waiting. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.